Hey everyone, so I thought I would do a follow-up to my touch-up painting video and show you how I turned a new wing nut to fix my hood clearance problem. This is going to be a simple part to make, and I'm using my grizzly lathe and a scrap piece of cold rolled steel. First I'm going to jot down some numbers and then we can get started. Well, I definitely like the Ford Wingnut more. It's really not a big deal to leave this one in the glove box and just swap it out when I get to the car show. So it took me about an hour to turn this part, and retrospectively it's something I should have just done in the first place rather than risk my paint job with the Ford Wingnut and tight clearance. Why don't you leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.